Are you ready to embark on a journey of learning, growth, and discovery? Look no further. Hi, I'm Sanjana Bidari, Associate Head of the CodeClause Internship Program. CodeClause is a leading software company known for its excellence in the tech industry. Our internship program is designed to nurture young talents and provide a platform for real-world experience. Join me as I walk you through what makes our program unique. In today's condition, the prior experience is very important to get a dream job, and internship is the one who gives it to you. Our interns aren't just learners, they are contributors. You will work on projects, put your skills to the test, and make real impact. You will receive mentorship from seasoned professionals and industry leaders, including experts from the renowned organizations such as Accenture, Geo, RBL Bank, IntelliSwift, and CodeClause itself. Gain valuable insights into the most current trends and cutting-edge technologies. We have 35 plus trainers, and upon successful completion, you will receive certificates and letter of recommendation to boost your career. And I'm glad to say we have served 70,000 plus interns and also exciting swags as rewards for your hard work. We are delivering cool swags at your doorstep. We have established collaboration with numerous universities and colleges to explore various opportunities. We have signed memorandums of understanding, that is MOUs, with institutions such as AISSMS, Amrut Vahini, C100 and more, totaling over 15 colleges. Notably, even IIT Bombay has approached us for potential collaboration. CodeClause is a government-approved company, and our prestigious CodeClause Internship program holds approvals from reputed organizations such as AICTE, ISO, and several others. We are honored to be in partnership with the Google Developers Club, further enhancing the value and credibility of our internship program. Join a dynamic community of fellow interns and alumni, establishing a valuable network that extends well beyond your internship. Our extensive LinkedIn community comprises over 61,000 members, and our remarkable growth has been acknowledged and recognized by LinkedIn. We have hired more than 100 interns from our CodeClause internship program. So, are you ready to take the first step towards an exciting career? Join the CodeClause internship program, and together we will script the future. The CodeClause internship program. Your journey to success starts here. Thank you.